welcome to J.E. Adams Industries. Today we are going to review how to manually program a custom message into a Dixmor LED9 display. Now the instructions on how to do this are also detailed inside of your owner's manual, so you can also use that to follow along if you like. This video though should help understand the process. Currently on the display we are seeing the standard default message, which at this time is the only thing scrolling across the screen. Our goal in this video is to add the custom message, "Welcome to J.E. Adams Industries," along with the standard message. When we add the custom messaging to the display, it will also be necessary to change the message setting, item 23, inside of the display to mix. So not only the default message shows, but also the custom message. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is remove the black plugs in the back of the display, and that allows you to access the push buttons on the inside of the display. Now to access the push buttons you can use something like a golf tee or an Allen wrench or a pocket screwdriver, for instance. Insert the object into the display and then you can access the push buttons to navigate through the menus and the settings. Now for my own benefit, I'm going to go ahead and remove the back of the display so we can get through this in a timely manner. Okay, so now that that's done, there are two buttons on the back side of the display. The top one is the S1 button or the set button, and then the bottom one is the S2 button or the mode button. The S1 or the upper button allows you to make changes inside of the display. The lower button or S2 is actually also known as the mode button, which allows you to enter into the different modes to allow you to make changes. So let's get started. First thing we do is we press the S2 button. Again, that allows you inside of the display settings. And then we want to access the part of this for the messaging, which we're looking for the words or the abbreviation for standard. And if you look in your manual, it's item 23. Okay, so there we have it. Right now we're currently on standard for messaging, and we want to change this to mix because we want both the standard message and our custom message to scroll across the screen. So to do this, you press the top button, the S1 button or set button, and we're going to change it to mix. Okay, now to change the messaging, what we want to do is we want to press the S2 button and hold it. Okay, so that brings up the first letter. Okay, to change the letter, we'll want to press the S1 button or hold the S1 button, depending on which way we want to go. Now we're already past the capital W for welcome, so we'll want to hold down on the S1 button, which is going to decrease the letter value, and then depress it just a single time to advance. And there we have the capital W. Okay, to go to the next letter, we'll want to press the S2 button, and then we want to find the lowercase e for welcome. And I'm just depressing the S1 button over and over. And there we have lowercase e. So again, press the S2 button to advance to the next letter. And we want to find lowercase l. So we'll press the S1 button. And there we have lowercase l. Then we're going to press the S2 to get to the next letter. And there's the C. Again, S2 to advance to the next letter, and then S1 to change the letter, and there's the O, S2 button, and then we're looking for a lowercase m, and then S2 for the next letter. Okay, and there's welcome. Now we need a space between the welcome and the to, so we're going to look for the space button. Press S2 to advance to the next letter, and we're currently on Z, So we just want to keep scrolling through, and there's the space button. It's right after the cent sign. Okay, so then we press S2 to go on to the next letter. Then we want a lowercase t for 2. Okay, there's the T. Then S2 button brings up the next letter, S1 to change. Okay, and then we need a space again, so we'll go to the S2 button to advance. And there's the space, S2 to go to the next letter. And then we're looking for, now we're already past the uppercase J, so I'm going to hold down on the S1 button. Then I'll press each time to get back to the J. And then I'm going to enter in J.E. Adams. Now the rest of this is just repetition, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the message, and then we'll check our work. Okay, so there I have Adams entered, and I've already pressed the S2 button to the next character after Adams. And it's came up as an L. We want to change the L to a / character. So that's what we're looking for, is the /. And that's how you end the message. Okay, and there's the /. So now we want to hold in on the S2 button to get back out of this custom message. Okay, there it flashed done, and now I'm back to mix. So now we can continue to press the S2 button repeatedly until we get to the exit portion of the display. And there we go. Now let's check to see if our messaging came up correctly. Okay, there's the welcome to J.E. Adams, then the vacuum message, which is the default message. So we have both the custom message and the default message scrolling across the display, which is what we want. So that's pretty much it. It's very simple to do, and that concludes today's training. Thanks.